How to block someone on Instagram without them knowing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quietly block someone from your account. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, search for the username of the person you want to block and tap on their profile to open it. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right of their profile. Let me show you. From there, tap on block to quietly block them without reporting. At this stage, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on block again to confirm. Following this, the person is now blocked and will no longer be able to find your profile, see your posts, or send you messages on Instagram. Once done, keep in mind that blocking someone on Instagram does not send them a notification. They won't know they've been blocked until they try to search for your profile and can't find it. From here, if you want to block someone without visiting their profile, find one of their comments on your posts, tap and hold on their comment, and tap on block user from the options that appear. At this stage, this is a quick way to block someone directly from your comment section without having to go to their profile. Here's an important note. If you have any mutual followers, they may still be able to see the blocked person's profile and content. Blocking only affects the direct connection between your two accounts. And that's it. If this guide helped you block someone on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.